Hello guys, hello everyone. I just hope you right bafethu. So please if ungaka subscribe like hike, just ensure it to never go back without pressing that red button written subscribe. Also press the bell and the like button bafethu. Ngicela isikhathi ngifuna sikhulume ngalolu daba Lucas Java bafethu. We have seen so many people complaining on social media about what is currently happening in his life bafethu. People are not happy njengoba sazi ukuthi ke ever since he was accused of being a rapist, his career was just blocked. His life was just messed up bafethu, and people are not happy. They are complaining about this ngoba sekulokwavulwa icala akakaze aboshwe bafethu. Ayikho nje into eqhubakalayo ngecala kodwa impilo yakhe ngapha iyamosheka. Umculo wakhe awusamfakela imali, ithalente lakhe kwezokulingisa bafethu alisamenzela imali ngoba nje uvela axoshwe esandokuqashwa nje bafethu. So is the justice system handling this fairly? Is it fair bafethu noma ke it is favoring uLady Zama? Because yena she's free, she's flexible bafethu, she's able to plan about her life bafethu. But there was a case that was opened against her which was for defamation of a character bafethu, but yena free. So people are complaining about this. They are saying it is unfair bafethu. Lento yenzeka kuSijava bafethu i-right yini? Is it fair noma nje umthetho bafethu usivunela umuntu wesifazane? Awile lapha ngenza into comment section usho umbono wakho ngalolu daba. Just ensure that you leave your opinion bafethu. It is very much appreciated. Okay, mina ngiyavala khona la.